Good morning children. Welcome to VVPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 6th chapter factors and multiples is going on and we are doing exercise 6C. So children, in exercise 6C we have done question number 1 and 2. Today we have to do question number 3 of exercise 6C. So it depends on the test of divisibility. So question number 3 is you have to check the divisibility by 4, that the given numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So how we check the divisibility of by 4, that the number is divisible by 4 or not? So you can say if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. अगर नंबर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स डिविजिबल हैं 4 से, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. So you can see the question number A here, 1204 means 1204 is given. So 1204 1204 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits 04, 4 ones are 4 is there, so are divisible by 4. That is why the whole number is also divisible by 4. Means 1204 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits of this number are divisible by 4. So question number B now, 3607. Here last two digit is 0 and 7. Though you know that 7 does not comes in the table of 4. So 7 is not divisible by 4. So 3607 is not divisible by 4 as the last two digits of 07 are not divisible by 4. Clear hai? Question number C, 2048. 4 also comes in the table of 4 and 8 also come. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8 is there. So 4 and 8 both number are divisible by 4. 2048 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits 48 are divisible by 4. ठीक है ना? इस नंबर में लास्ट टू डिजिट्स 4 8 हैं, दोनों ही 4 से डिविजिबल हैं, देन द होल नंबर इज ऑल्सो 2048 is also divisible by 4. Question number D is 3600. So children, here last two digits are 0. So 0 does not having any value. So what we will do, we will solve this whole digit 3600 by divide by 4, and if it is divisible, fully exactly divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible. If it is not, then the number is not divisible by 4. So what we will do for that, we will divide 3600 by 4. So you can see here I have done it in the rough. 4 9s are 36 is there, है ना? 4 9s are 36 होता है. 36 minus 36 is 0, or you can write cross here, or you can write 0 also. So 4 9s are 36 is done. Then 0 0 is left. We will take these two zeros to the question. So 3600 is exactly divisible by 4. It is fully done with 4. Then what is the number 3600? It is divisible by 4. Clear है? 3600 पूरा divisible by 4 है because it is fully exactly divisible by 4. Question number E, 5614. So last two digits are 1 and 4. 1 and 4, 14. 14, does 14 comes in the table of 4? Yes or no? No. 14 does not come in the table of 4. 5614 is not divisible by 4 as the last two digits 14 are not divisible by 4. क्योंकि 14 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता, it is not divisible by 4. So 5614 is also not divisible by 4. Clear है? How we check the divisibility of the number by 4? We will see the last two digits of each and every number. that the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. If the last two digits are not divisible by 4, then the whole number is also not divisible by 4. This is the method how we check the divisibility of number by 4. So children, today your homework is you have to revise question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 6C. Clear? Once again I am repeating the homework. You have to revise question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 6C. If you will have any doubt, you can ask me on group. Thank you and have a nice day.